Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia. If this is your first time here, I make videos on things you can wear, hence the name Things Wearable. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NYX Strobe Cream and the Mac Strobe Cream. You'll see at the end of this video what my ultimate decision was in terms of which is better in packaging, scent, formulation, and is it really worth it? So if you want to keep learning more about these two products, then keep watching this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the same foundation for both of them so that I can get a accurate and equal judgment of the two. I'm going to first start off with the NYX A Wavy Glow Strobe Cream, and I'm going to put in 1 pump. That was like 1.5. And then I'm going to go ahead and do 1 pump of the Fenty foundation. This is like almost gone, so that's close to 1 pump. And I'm just gonna mix it with this detail brush here. My aunt is calling me. Pause, please hold. We're back in action here. My aunt came and dropped off some donuts and fresh strawberries from the farm, like literally from the farm. I'm gonna apply with my beauty blender on 1/2 of my face, and then I'm gonna use the other Mac Strobe Cream on the other half of my face. So let's just get right into it here. You guys see that like inner glow? Keep in mind this foundation is a matte foundation, so I like the texture a lot, but sometimes I don't want my face to look so dry. Like you can see the shine from like under my skin, which is really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna use the opposite end of my beauty blender and use the Mac Strobe Cream. And I'm going to try to apply the same exact amount as I did with the NYX one. There's a little dollop and my pump of the foundation. I'm using the opposite end of my beauty blender. Applying on this end. Oh, let me zoom in a little bit. You can also see a little bit of a glow from within here. Can you guys even tell the difference? So here is the NYX Strobe Cream, and here is the Mac Strobe Cream. And to be honest with you, can't really tell much of a difference between the two, especially when I look at myself in the mirror. Well, actually, this side has a little bit more shine, like a smudge bit. I have the MAC on this side and the NYX on this side, and I honestly can't really tell much of a difference even in person. So in terms of the packaging, the NYX is a lot easier to use because it has a pump, and the MAC one is a little harder to use because it's just a squeezy tube. And the tube itself is a little stiff, so it's not really like you can have much control of the product when you try to squeeze it out. So that's a little bit annoying. And in terms of the scent, the MAC wins it. It smells a lot more refreshing. It just smells kind of like clean. I don't know how to explain it. And this one, let me pump it out, see. This one smells a little bit more like makeup-y. But this one definitely, there's a fragrance in it, I feel like. Or am I just going crazy? I don't know. But this one definitely smells a lot better, the MAC one. In terms of the formula and the texture, they are very similar. I'm gonna pump out MAC and a little bit of the NYX, and I'm gonna show you guys a comparison on my hand. Okay, so this is the MAC one, and this is the NYX one. The NYX is a little bit thicker. This is a lot more liquidy. The NYX one is much more of like a lotion texture, and it has a little bit more of a shimmer to it. When it comes out of the tube, and I think they like literally put like super fine glitter flexes in it, but MAC has a little bit more of a shine in my opinion from what I see. I kind of like how light the MAC one is though, because it doesn't feel like I'm really putting like lotion on my face. So if you're a little picky about the density and the weight of your foundations, then you might want to go with the MAC one because it's a little bit more lightweight, a little more liquidy. Well, my light bulb just went out on this side, on the left side, so sorry about that. I'm gonna try to even out the lighting here, but good thing I've already done the important part of the video. But where was I? Oh, if you want something a little more lightweight, I definitely recommend going with the MAC. If you're not too picky about that, then you might want to save some money and go with the NYX. In terms of the cost and worth, obviously, the NYX is a better deal. I'm going to look up online right now how much the Mac Strobe Cream is. Okay, so the little one is $12, but the normal size is $34. And the NYX Away We Glow Strobing Cream is $15.99. So in the MAC one, you get 1.7 ounces, and in the NYX one, you only get 0.94 ounces. So, I mean, you don't nearly get double in this one, but close, right? If I do the math right, is it kind of close? 0.94 times 2 is 1.88. And here you have 1.77. Did I do that right? So essentially, they're kind of the same price. Now that I think about it. Even if this is double this. They're kind of the same price because you get double the amount of product. So to be honest with you, if you use a lot of like strobe creams and you know you'll be putting it in your foundation almost every day, you probably will be better off going with this one because you get more product. And I mean, obviously it's a little bit more high quality because it's MAC versus NYX. The flex in them is a little similar, but this one has like literal like pieces of glitter in it, although it's very fine milled, which I really like. This is more of like a natural, like glowy, illuminating kind of strobe cream. Make sense? At the end of the day, honestly, I think this is a better like bang for your buck, whatever that saying is, because you get twice the amount of product and it's less than twice the price, right? Because this is $15.99, the NYX one, and the strobe cream, the MAC one, you're really saving, oh, you're not saving that much. 34 divided by 2 is 17, and this one 15. So this is still slightly more expensive, but I don't know. I wear this one more, let's be honest. I wear the MAC one more. I have worn the NYX one a couple times, but I naturally just always grab the MAC one. I'm not sure why. I think maybe I personally like the texture a lot more because this one's much more creamy, much more lotion-like, and this one's a lot more liquidy, more lightweight, and it mixes easier with my foundation. So I personally would vote MAC, but I didn't realize that this was nearly half the amount that is in this one because they kind of look similar in size, surprisingly. This is double the amount. So let's do a little review here, a summary. So for packaging, NYX. For scent, MAC. For formula, MAC. For cost, NYX. And so they're pretty tied. Although in terms of cost, you're really only saving $4 if you buy the NYX rather than just getting the MAC. So it's up to you what you value is more important in terms of the key points you're looking for in your strobe cream. I don't know if this was really helpful because I kind of just told you to get either one. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was easier to help you make a decision. They're so similar. I mean, look at it. They're literally the same thing. This is truly a dupe of MAC. I think they did a really, really, really good job at getting the same like amount of glow and the same shade and the same formulation. It's just, again, like I've said already a million times, this is a little bit thicker. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more beauty reviews, please like this video, share it, let me know, and let me know if you try any of these products out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!